YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we're back with some quick fix videos on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. Today we actually have the gray cleaner. We are going to dive in and start doing some fixes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back with another quick fix video on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. As you guys can see, we have the all gray version. It does have a gray and white version where the top is actually a grayish color with a white bottom, but today we have a full gray cleaner. We're going to show you guys how and the importance, how to remove and the importance of this debris valve. So if you haven't seen our other videos on how to take the bag off and deal with the bag, go ahead and check the links in the description. We've got all that down there below. But once you get the bag off, you'll notice that you do have these rubber flaps that actually do open up pretty easily on top, right below the bag. So the purpose of these flaps is when the pressure stops and your pump is done and the bag is going to lower, obviously because the pressure is going out, you don't want all that debris just flushing right back through this tube, right out the bottom of the cleaner and back into your pool. So this is very important to make sure that all the debris that's in here doesn't just come right back out. In this case, since we have a brand new cleaner as a model, I've already pre-taken this off. On your specific cleaner, this is meant to be glued on. So when you buy a new one of these, you'll notice that it doesn't come with glue. So you do need to use some kind of a underwater adhesive to attach it to the plastic piece here to make sure that this stays on, because with the pressure coming up and down, you want to make sure that this doesn't just get sucked into your bag or blown right back out the bottom of the cleaner. So you do have to attach it. When taking off your old one, say one of these flaps breaks or it tears, when you're gonna take off your old one, it is a little bit of work. Get a screwdriver out. If you happen to have a heat gun of some kind, very gently try to warm up the adhesive to get this off. Like I said, in this case, we already pre-did it for you guys. So you guys can see it's just a very simple piece of equipment. This ring just goes around the outer edge of the bag holder here. And the whole purpose of this is just to make sure that these flaps close so that debris doesn't just go right back down the hole. So when you get your new one, you're gonna make sure you line everything up, try to get as much of this adhesive that would be left on your cleaner. Again, this is new, so everything's still pretty fresh. In yours, if it's been in there for a while, obviously a lot of this is probably gonna be gone. It may just peel right off, no issues. But when you do get your new one, you're gonna wanna apply glue in two different points, typically right where the flaps attach to this rubber ring. You're gonna wanna put adhesive here, and then you're just gonna simply feed it around and glue it down and make sure that it's on there solid and that you can still put your bag on top and make sure your bag seals to these flex posts. Really simple. Again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got plenty more videos coming your way on this cleaner. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.